Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I have another pile of boxes. It's a long, drawn-out pile. Alright, so we've got all of these. They're from various different orders. Here's one I don't even recognize. Handscraft US. So, that sounds clever. We're going to find some fun things. If you haven't checked out the Fun Finds category and the Home and Decor category and even the Health and Beauty category, go run to those sections because we just added a whole bunch of new stuff. So, let's go ahead and unbox this stuff. Alright, we're just going to start with this one closest to us.
I know
For
what
those
it
of you,
is.
ooh, it's more cotton candy. For those of you who did not go to the cotton candy section, we have a whole bunch of new flavors that we just added. Ooh, we were out of this one, weren't we?
Yeah, we were. We ran out this morning.
Yep, so we're going to replenish the orange dreamsicle. These, I have been told, taste exactly like the orange push pops you used to
Our daughter
get at the
Faith.
ice cream trucks.
Yep. Our daughter Faith loves them.
And then we have, what is this one? Each row is a different one. Classic cotton candy. This sells super fast.
It does.
And it keeps really well in these containers.
Yeah.
And then what's the last one down here in the bottom? Usually 3 come in each kind of box. We get 12 of each kind. Strawberry lemonade. I think that's a new one.
It'd be like a summer one.
Look at the fun top on that one. Yes, this would be a good summer
It's a
one.
really cool company.
It is a really cool company. We have had nothing but rave reviews about
they love it.
all of the cotton candies. Look, I got everything back in the box this time.
I'm so proud.
If you watched yesterday's video, I don't know how I managed it, but we ended up with extra. Oh, we have spicy pickle from yesterday's video.
Boom.
And bacon and, what is it?
Maple bacon. Gotta eat some maple bacon.
All right. We're going to shelve those in a minute. All right, what else is in here? Ooh, that one's a little heavy. This says handcrafted. Do you think it's handcrafted, Paul?
I think so. I think I remember what this is.
I don't know what it is at all because I don't do any.
I'm thinking it's a toy, but I'm gonna see. Sort of a toy. I think I'm right.
Okay, so these are 3D stickers. These are all mermaid ones.
Stickers.
So that's a whole
Look at
pack, but you can
that.
buy them individually. We've got
These are nice
ones.
stickers. These a lot of people have been asking for crafts. These are normally sold at the craft supply. So boom.
3D fancy
So
stickers.
we've got the mermaids. What other one you have?
We got animals.
Animals. You would find these at Hobby Lobby and Michael's and all of that. I tracked them down.
All right, this sticker pack is really nice, but wrong. Why is it wrong?
Why is it wrong? Moon, Earth, Mars, Sun, Mercury, Uranus. Is it because it's Uranus?
No.
Okay, I thought you were going dirty joke. Venus,
No.
Jupiter, Saturn,
They're
Neptune.
missing a planet. I know people say that there's 8, but there's not. I'm going to rant. Pluto is a planet. It was always a planet when I was in school. Where is Pluto on the sticker pack?
It's not on the sticker chart.
Listen.
The stickers aren't going to
Wrong.
lie, Heather. The stickers don't lie.
Those of you who are with me, rant in the comment section below. It's the only time I'll allow it. All right.
Product catalog.
All right. Ooh, these must be
Ooh,
for
a display.
Oh, are we going to get these cool things?
I think so. Some
I
of
really
them.
hope so. What are these?
We're going to give these a shot. Look at this.
What is that?
Small scale vehicle. You will make that right there.
No, self-assemble, no glue needed, detachable carriage. So the hopper in
Isn't
the
that
back
awesome looking?
comes apart.
Look at that.
That's cool.
I think
It has a QR code you can scan too
Yep.
on the inside to show you how to make the item.
correct.
So it looks like these are all the trains.
I'm pretty sure the instructions are inside, but also that code.
Yeah, so it shows you a video in case you lose
Trains
your
are
mind.
always good. I think people
right.
would like to build trains.
What is this?
Ooh,
Is this the display?
That's the display pack.
Okay, hold
Can't
on.
remember what it
Let's
is.
try not to break it
Might be hard.
to get this open.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Do you need your knife maybe a little bit?
maybe. Try not to destroy the display thing because I like to use the displays even on the back shelves too.
Mm-hmm. Even when we store them for
Shipping
online,
yeah,
it's
it
nice
really
to have them.
because then you can see everything really good.
Look how delicate she's doing this.
Well, I don't know if I'll wreck it by there.
While she's doing that, I've been investigating the Whatnot app, and made a couple of purchases on there today or last night, just to check it out to see how it goes.
It's relatively easy to use if you're a
Easy
buyer.
to use, enjoyed it. I would have to say right now, I'm not sure we're going to do an auction on there because our fire sales are pretty much the same thing. And we're enjoying it. The nice thing I liked is it was instant payment. That would have been nice. Hot air balloon. Look at that.
Oh, you take this whole front part off.
Beautiful. Look at that, Heather.
Looks like there's 2 different kinds in there.
Is there?
Different?
I got this hot air balloon, and I've got an airship.
It's a Zeppelin.
Look at these. See, I think this stuff is cool. I don't know if other people think it's cool, though.
Well, we had some before, and they sold really well.
Yeah, we used to buy them from 888 lots.
Yeah.
You know.
So this is the airship and the hot air balloon. And then, do these say... Okay, so this said... Did it say on it what it was? 'Cause I'm wondering.
What, 5 in a box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so this has a code on it. Let's see if the codes are still all the same on these. These are different.
Yep, I'm guessing I bought different kinds.
Yeah. So it looks like you can actually open it up here. That's going to be a whole lot easier. All right. I mean, the goal is to get them out without breaking them. Ugh. I have an idea.
We believe in you, Heather.
There.
Genius. Married to a genius.
All right. This is another wooden puzzle.
This
Ferris
is
wheel.
the Ferris wheel. They're not bad. 120 pieces.
And the
And the
carousels.
merry-go-round. You could have like a carnival theme, you know? Boom. That would be cool.
Those are super
I
fun.
just dropped them in the hole. I think that'd be neat.
Yeah, I like them.
So,
All right, so they're going to be on probably the toy section
yeah.
of the Fun Finds.
That's what I would guess.
Yeah.
Toys.
Try not to break the box. All right.
You're doing a wonderful job, Heather.
All right, I'm just looking to see. Yeah, these all have different codes, but at least I realized you can open it this
I think
way.
I bought 5 of each different kind, so they just stuck them in these boxes like that. That's kind of neat that they did that.
Okay, so
I mean, they just barely fit in these
yeah.
boxes that way. Then we have the sailing ship. Look how intricate, though. I think it's pretty neat. And then we have the fishing ship. Neat. I wonder which one would go quicker, sailing ship or fishing ship?
What would
Which
you
one
guys
do think?
prefer?
Oh, boy. See, I would probably go sailing ship.
Yeah.
Fishing ship's
All right.
neat, too, though.
Last box. We have
An aeroplane. Look at that. Good old aeroplane.
and then Cinderella's carriage.
And then a pumpkin cart.
It's Cinderella's carriage. Come on, Paul.
Yeah, it is.
You know what that
That's
is.
cool.
That is really cool.
Excellent. These ought to be fun.
Yeah, I like them.
I only bought 5 of each to give it a shot to see.
So it says 182 pieces, 145. So it looks like about over 100 pieces for each. Now they do say 14 plus, but my guess is you could probably give it to a 10-year-old and it still would be good. But
Yeah.
just so you have an idea,
Probably depends on your child.
It
At least
does.
they're not using a knife or glue or anything.
that might
So-
be a father-son.
It's going to take maybe a little bit of patience, but
Father's Day. Those would be great gifts for
Father's Day would be kind of neat.
Yeah.
Get them a pumpkin carriage.
Okay, this says CBC group. We opened something from the CBC group last time. I don't remember what it was. We do have some of our out-of-stock items on order.
Yes, we do.
What were some of the things that you just ordered?
Well, a lot of those Star Wars candies and stuff.
Yep.
It'll be a bit because by the time they got them shipped, they would get here right at the time we were on vacation. So I'm going to have to wait. Some of that's slightly delayed.
Yep.
But don't worry, we'll get it back.
Oh,
This
our
cross
cast
sold
iron
fast for
cross.
us. Everybody wanted these crosses when we had them on the fire sale.
Yep.
It's pretty cross.
So go straight to hookedonpickin.com and buy it now, because if you wait till the fire sale, you might have to fight for it.
Right.
There are some buyers that only buy from the fire sale.
Absolutely.
So if you go now to hookedonpickin.com, you probably will have, a lot of times, some of the fire sale items end up on hookedonpickin.com before the fire sale. So I just would recommend going to hookedonpickin.com every day. Because you know we post stuff every day.
There you go.
Except for Sunday. It's the only day we don't post stuff. All right.
There you go.
So these are, let me just check the numbers on them. This says cross 1 piece. This says cross 1 piece.
Might be a whole box of crosses. I think I tried to load up on them.
I think it is. Yes, everything in this box is a cross. It's a whole box. You probably have about 10.
Yeah, sounds about right.
All right, so we're just going to put them all back in the box. These will go on the shelf since they're going to be online.
Doesn't have to do a great job.
All right. Then we have a smaller box.
Scares you to death with that knife, doesn't she? Every time.
I keep my hand out of the way. This says it's from CBC Group as well. So this is probably more items. All right. Oh, here's our
Look at
glass
that.
vase with twine.
Boop. Yeah, we sold out of those real quick.
Yep. Are they both the same? Glass
Probably.
vase with twine. They're both the same.
Strange, I only got 2 in a box.
Yeah, who knows? You probably have more, but okay.
True.
What is it? This is probably 8 at 8 lots because it's in an Amazon Prime box, and they've been drop shipping some of their stuff from Amazon, which is good and bad. We get it faster.
Yeah.
But bad because we've had a couple of items come broken or not as described.
Yep. And 888 lots, they wouldn't even know because they don't even have it at their warehouse. But it does get to us a lot quicker.
Oh, this is another one of these. We had these woodworking.
Yeah, I think we're sold out.
Knife
So
sets. Yeah.
good to have these back.
They have the little, very pristine.
It's a really nice kit.
And it's got the case that goes with it.
Woodworking, crafts, art projects. It's really nice.
And it has the really
nice case.
Yeah.
My phone keeps ringing on me. Keeps giving me alerts. People already buying stuff. That's actually what that was.
Really?
Yeah. Crazy.
All right. We don't have any of this online. Not yet. When the video is...
When the video goes live, we will.
We do have it online. So actually, for you guys, it is online right now.
Mm-hmm.
You don't make it live till it's...
Now, why would you do that?
Yeah, I know. That's a lot of bubble wrap. But hey, we're going to reuse that bubble wrap. It works great. Okay. What do we got in here? Okay, I can't pick up this box. So we have to cut it in here. It's too heavy to pick up. Because it's full of...
Boom.
this stuff.
Nivea?
Nivea. Skin Firming Hydration. Shea Butter. Normal Skin. Body Lotion. What is this? Calming. This is moisturizer as well. This is shower gel.
There you
shower
go.
gel. What is this one? This one is Mollient Albia Botanica. This is what?
Sparkling mint.
Shower gel. Bath and shower gel. And we have the Shea. This stuff sells so fast for
yeah,
us.
and that's the bigger bottle.
Yeah, it is bigger.
We had we had a smaller one.
Yep. All right, so that's all available. Let's open this one.
See why this box is so heavy.
Well, and that's why they padded it.
Probably.
Because it had really, really heavy breakable stuff in it. All right, what else is in here? Oh, more of these.
Boom.
That's all that's in. Wait, let me make sure there's nothing else.
This kind of stuff sells very consistently for us.
Yep.
It's nice.
All right, what else is in here? Another CBC group, so it's going to be that 47th and Main, where we got the twine jar.
Yeah, maybe
and
it's
the
more
cross.
of
I'm hoping it's more of those twine jars because those sell so fast. They look like the same size box. It says glass vase with twine. Yes.
Yep.
So this whole box.
Well, that
Those
makes
are
sense.
Just two extra. So
it's
you
probably
said,
8 in that and 2 in the other.
This is 612 in this.
Oh, okay. Well,
Let me make sure this is all that's in here. Yeah. So you must have ordered 14.
In the way it was case packed or something.
Maybe.
Who knows? Who knows why I do what I do?
Why do we do what we do? We don't know.
I don't know. Why do I buy what I buy?
Why do I buy what I buy?
Because I want what I want. Why do I do what I do? Because I want what I want.
All right. Here's another one of those precision cutting.
Yeah.
Kits. All right. And
That's
then,
good to have 2 of those back.
Yes. I hope this whole box is full of those because those things sell so fast.
That'd be nice.
But I don't think 888 Lots had that many, did they?
I think we've seen the majority of that we're going to get of that.
Okay.
What is in this thing?
This is a new thing. Oh, we've been waiting for these to come in. Gaming headset.
Look at that.
So these are really awesome because they have the microphone on them. I actually sometimes use these for my consultation phone calls because it blocks out all the other noise. It keeps my hands free so I can search online while talking to you guys for the consultation phone calls. It's compatible with a laptop, PC, mobile, and tablet. So it looks like it has the regular headset plug-in, and it also, I think, has the USB.
Nice.
The USB plug-in. Yep. And
Beautiful.
it has LED lights, so it like when it's on, it plugs in. Yeah. So if you look at the front, it shows your 2 attachments. So you got your regular headphone jack, and then you got your USB plug-in. So I know a lot of people that use it for on the computer. It works great. Also, a lot of the gaming controllers will have the USB plug-in or the headset plug-in. So works for all that. So these are really nice.
Heather's a big gamer.
No, I just have kids who use the headset.
She has a whole other YouTube channel that she plays Minecraft.
No. There. All right, I need to get this out. I think the rest, this whole box is the gaming headsets.
Isn't that
They're
awesome?
all the same. All right, let's move down here. We'll get this last little baby box.
Green phone.
This is a set, do not separate. What do I do? But I want to separate it.
You're not allowed to. It says it right on the package. This is a set, do not separate.
I'm going to be disobedient.
We should make shirts like that. This is a set, do not separate. For marriage?
Yes!
You know, that'd be
Mr.
awesome.
and Mrs. And then on the back it'll say Mr. and Mrs.
That'd be
Oh,
awesome.
these are our cooktop cleaners. We actually are selling those separately in the store.
In the store we are, but not online.
Online we do sell them as a set, yes.
Yep.
So we have 2 of those. All right. Now that I've been rebellious in my video.
Separation of
Cooktop cleaners. All right, so thanks so much for joining us for this unboxing. Make sure you go to the cotton candy section because we have added probably 7 or 8 new flavors. So if you didn't watch yesterday's video, run over there and grab some new cotton candy. And also we have our, what was the big thing we opened yesterday was the metal detectors. Do we have any more of those left? I think we have like 2.
I know we sold 1.
Yeah, so we have 2 more of the really nice metal detectors, so go over there and get those, and we do ship those, so they're $99, so all you got to do is add 1 more thing and you get free shipping, so bonus, right? Or you can add 20 other things, because our store is awesome. Anyway, remember in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.